Welcome to room 8086, a 1-bedroom suite. So come in.
Hey, Dad.
Shut the door with the clowns. Okay. Hi, I'm Kim.
I'm Brad.
We're 66 Ohana, California, and today we're going to do a 1-bedroom concierge room tour, and we're on board the Disney Wonder. Okay, so here's the first little half bath. Woo! Maybe. Up, and you got your LMS products. Makeup remover. This one's a little tighter, but it's got a, ooh. Okay, there's got to be another. Oh, here you go.
I got it.
So you're going to have to come in, Brad,
Okay.
and then I'm going to have to follow you.
Just a sec. So, turn on the other light. It's right here, right out the door.
Okay, you're going to have to go in, and I'm going to follow you to the camera for the height test.
Toilet. Oh, and there's the shower. Okay, that's a nice shower.
Yeah.
All right, height test.
Oh. Uh-oh, you're going to have to bend your knees. There you go.
So, yeah, it's a little short.
But not as bad as the normal rooms, I don't
Nope.
think. All right, we're going to come back out to the hallway. All right, back here in the hallway, you have a walk-in closet with your life vest, of course.
Might be important.
Well, let's hope not.
Running a little harder, too.
All right. Then you've got all this space, but I think it opens in the middle, too.
Yeah.
So if you hold on to this one, and I will pull on this one, it'll open in the mortar in the middle.
Your closets.
That's a nice feature. Oh, look at the Mary Blair. Come on in, let's take a look. First of all, you see this nice little dining area. And because we're concierge, they gave us a little fruit plate. A little notice about the cocktail hours and concierge lounge. And then look at that huge space.
That's a nice bar. Little wet bar. Which they've got. Okay. Drinks. Glasses. Oh, empty.
And we got mini fridge. Now we got to ask them to pre-order what we wanted in our mini fridge.
Oh, so you, okay. Pay our rate, Hayden will be happy.
Yep. And trash can. All right, so next coming in, I notice the artwork. It's like it's a small
world. Is that supposed to be like Jungle Boat Cruise?
I don't know what that is.
Huh.
All right, so then we have a nice little place here.
Nice pen.
I have over here this nice little table. This is a sleeper couch, so this will fold out.
So they got all the books over here.
And then up here, they have a Mickey.
Oh yeah, Mickey.
Like an old-fashioned Mickey.
Mm-hmm. And then on the TV, they actually had "Welcome to Us" on it. And
there's cables.
Oh, there's some cables and stuff. Okay.
Nice little sitting area. Hayden will be sleeping on this. We will pull this out later to show you. Mm-hmm. And a nice deep drawer.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, let's get the main bedroom.
It's a nice big bed. If you notice, each nightstand has like a little table, nice linens. Okay, so this has a lot of little drawers.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Nice little chair. Now, in room 8086, this is the pull-down Murphy bed.
Oh, I have to have a key though?
No, you just pull it.
You have to have a key.
Oh, okay.
So this is a pull-down Murphy bed?
We'll see if they can pull this out for us later.
I think you have to request it.
All right, so this way to the bathroom. In here, you have a nice little vanity. This is nice.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
Yeah, 6 drawers on the sides. Then you come in here and you have a nice walk-in.
Oh, well.
And you've got your robes and slippers. Oh, a
Nice
drawer
and safe.
safe.
Okay, and some more drawers.
Some nice big drawers.
A lot of storage for...
There's 4 drawers here.
Mm-hmm.
Now we come into the bathroom. and you have a huge tub. And if you haven't noticed,
Loofah?
Spongeo! It's got the soap already in it. In the loofah. Alright,
Nice
sorry.
big tub.
This light wasn't on. And then you have all this nice bathroom.
Double sinks.
More drawers for storage. And of course you have a toilet.
And then you got a nice, again, another good sized shower.
Do you want to go see what you look like in the shower?
Yeah.
Oh, you actually do better in the shower.
Nope, it's the same.
Same? Okay.
So it's the same where you can turn. So it makes it easier.
Okay,
nice.
so let's go see what the view looks like.
Okay. I don't know. There's the toilet in case you want to know. And we'll,
Alright, oh, and underneath the bed you have plenty of storage for your luggage.
yes, you do.
Alright.
All right. We got to hustle.
Come out on here.
Oh, safety. Oh, no, it was unlocked.
Okay. Woo! Okay, so we asked them, since we have the next room, to keep this partition open. So really our balcony here would end right here for this one bedroom. So I love this room. Unfortunately, this is my parents' room, so we're just showing you a tour. They let us borrow it. So,
Well, Hayden's going to be staying here too.
yeah. So we actually have that connecting door right there. So anyways, we're gonna, at the end of this cruise, tell you what we think about these rooms. So we'll ask my mom and Hayden what they thought about the comfort of their respective beds.
Okay, so we'll be back right after this. So you can tell we're not in the Wonder anymore, but we'll let you know what Mimi thought of her room.
Okay, so the one bedroom, when you walk into the living room, it has the bathroom off to the side, which had the full shower and the whole toilet area.
Yeah, that shower was actually fairly large. I think I wouldn't have had a problem taking a shower in it. Hayden obviously didn't. One thing to know about those bathrooms and every one of those things is that they all come with LMS.
So you can ask for another shower product. I don't know what's going to be replacing the H2O products when they run out, but something else will. If you don't like the LMS, I'm kind of sensitive to the smell.
And Hayden hated it.
Yeah, our teenage son was not a fan at all.
But really, that first bathroom is a great size bathroom for everything.
So once you walk into the main room, you saw that we had that kind of little bar area. A lot of times we'd eat breakfast with my mom and our son who was staying in that room. So that's why we're doing this tour. We just stayed, the two of us, in a family veranda.
Yeah, and we'll link that to her down below. But that bed table with that wet bar and everything right there, the fridge, that was awesome to have. I really liked that.
Lots of storage, a great mini fridge. It was overall just a great place to just like put food, snacks, whatever storage you needed over there.
And of course, you also had the living room area, which we converted into for Hayden's bedroom area, which was nice. It had a nice area for, setting electronics and stuff, and that bed coming out. The only negative about that bed was
It wasn't comfortable.
well, it wasn't comfortable, and it was right against the TV, that whole area, and it blocked the patio door. And that was kind of, if you really wanted to go out in the mornings and you had somebody there while you're climbing over them, or you're going to the main bedroom and going through that door to get out to the patio.
So the other thing is the bookcase was really nice because it had a lot of storage in that too. Plus they actually have real books in there you can read.
Yeah, those are really neat. But when that whole area is folded up and put away, it's a great relaxing area to just look out the windows and look out the ocean going by.
And then off to the side, they had the nice dining room table. Everything felt like there was a lot of space in that room.
Yeah, a tip with these one bedrooms. Did you know you can order all your breakfast to that table and not have to go to a restaurant in the mornings?
So Brad and I like to sleep in. We don't like to go to the big restaurants for breakfast. So we like to order the meals, and we had them delivered to our room. Luckily, Concierge, because we are also Concierge just next door, they let us order breakfast in with my mom and son, and so the four of us could enjoy the breakfast.
And that made mornings so much easier. We're not trying to rush out to get breakfast and running out to our excursions or what we want to do for the day. You get to take it a little bit more leisurely mornings to do that. So if you do have one of those, they're awesome. On your disembarking day, to be aware of is that you cannot have a full breakfast, but you can have the continental breakfast up to your room, which is nice if you want that coffee in the morning.
It's kind of a nice just way to start without being rushed, especially if you have an early morning tour at one of the ports. You can have a nice hot breakfast without having to wait in the main dining hall. You just have to order the night before up in the concierge lounge.
Let's go ahead and go through those two double glass doors and into the main bedroom. Kim and I did not sleep in this room, but Mimi did, and she actually liked the bed.
Okay, yes, she did. She was really comfortable. And then right next to it was the pull-down wall bed for a single person. That is another bed that would block the way out onto the veranda.
Yeah, so if you had all those taken up, you're not drinking your morning coffee onto the veranda very easily.
No. So it was a nice room. She really enjoyed it. But what she really loved was what came next.
See, what was next? Was that the tub?
So, no, they had like the walk-in closet and across it like a sitting area with a big lighted mirror that you could do your hair and makeup and get ready for your day. And it's not in the bathroom, so somebody could be getting ready. You have two spots to kind of get ready and wake up, or, you know, one could be showering while the other's doing hair, makeup, whatever.
Yeah, that's a very large closet, larger than one that's in the hallway. It's a nice area.
It's a great walk-in closet. She loved that walk-in closet.
And the great thing about these rooms are that bathtub, and that's kind of
It was huge. It was a nice looking tub.
Yeah, unfortunately nobody used it because we were so...
Alaska's a busy cruise. We were all on the go. I wanted to come over and borrow a bathtub one night, and it just never happened.
Alaska's one of those cruises that really wants you to be on that beautiful balcony outside.
Next up was kind of the bathroom. So they had a toilet area. There was a pocket toilet. On the other side was a big, huge walk-in shower. She just loved this whole setup of the room. She felt like that was kind of her area because our son used the front bathroom. So that was all her in there.
Yeah, she loved it. The shower was big. Everything was... She loved all that parts of it.
So the other thing is the balcony. That has a really big, beautiful balcony, especially... Gotta say, when we were in Alaska, that was gorgeous. We were in the stateroom right next door, so we were able to ask our stateroom host to go ahead and open that up, and it really expanded that balcony where it was massive.
Yeah. So if you have the one bedroom plus the family veranda suite for concierge that connect together right in between, it makes a huge balcony, and it's great.
It is. So that's what we did, is we kept it open.
Okay, not everything was positive with this room with Mimi. Let's say a couple of things. Well, Kim already mentioned the pull-out bed, and that was our son telling us that he didn't feel it was that comfortable, that couch bed.
The sofa bed.
Yep. Second thing is that double door that we're talking about. Well, I'm showing you the pictures right now. It can move.
And it's really loud.
Yeah, so those doors will come together and can slam together. And luckily, Alaska is not one of those cruises that is very rough all the time, but it's rough enough. And the other negative thing is they're glass. So if you have somebody out in that main room and open up the curtains to that balcony, and you want to sleep a little later, it's gonna bring in a lot of light in there, and she did not like that.
Or somebody has the lights on in one room or the living room. You might keep each other up.
Yeah.
If you're sensitive to light.
Yeah, I really wish those doors had a way to latch and actually were solid. Another criticism she did have is she felt the room for concierge was a little bit small, and that she is talking from experience here.
From other cruise lines.
Yeah.
So she felt that she was disappointed because she's done concierge on Princess and a few other lines, and didn't feel that Disney's rooms are as large for concierge. So that was a drawback for her.
But she did really like everything else. Really, she loved the room. Is something that for us, and we'll link some of our Alaska stuff down below. That is a once-in-a-lifetime cruise that we were doing, so we got concierge. It was well worth it. If you're asking if concierge is actually worth it, we'll link that video down below. Overall, yeah, it was a great room.
The only other thing both my mom and Hayden wish it was different is that pull-down bed was actually not in the bedroom, but in the living room. There are certain staterooms in concierge that have that second pull-down bed, the single pull-down bed in the living room. So those staterooms, just for your information, is 8032, 8034, 8532, and 8534. That, I think, would have changed their perspective on things a little bit. I think they both would have enjoyed having that other bed. I think Hayden would have been more comfortable on the pull-down bed versus the sofa, but they didn't want to stay in the same room. Our
teenager, you know, yeah.
He stays up and watches TV a little bit. Mom goes to bed a little bit earlier. She wakes up earlier. He sleeps in, you know, those kind of things. So it would have been nice for him to have a little bit more comfortable bed in the pull down. Or if parents were more privacy, if they had, you know, their kids with them and they need one on the pull down bed and one on the sofa, or a few on the sofa, however it works, it's just for that other privacy. It would have been nice to have the pull out in the bedroom, or out of the bedroom into the living room.
And also, and we know people may be watching this for the Mexican Riviera cruises or other cruises are going on, that those center doors could become a big issue on those cruises because those waters do get a little bit more.
It's rougher. The whole ship, when we went on the Mexican Riviera cruise, the ship shakes a lot. It goes a lot faster down the coast than it does in Alaska.
Yep. So if you want to know what our 1-bedroom concierge room looked like on the Mexican Riviera, we'll link that down below too, because this has a completely different 1-bedroom concierge room. So if you're finding this video helpful,
please like,
subscribe,
and follow along with our Ohana. So overall, the layout was beautiful. I think everybody was comfortable. It was nice when we went to hang out over there. So really the 1-bedroom concierge was amazing.
Yeah, and we would, if we were going to choose a room for a 1-bedroom again on the Wonder for a concierge, this would be it.
Well, actually, I would pick out, like I said, if it was, we had our son with us, I would get the pull down in the bed, in the living room.
Okay. So, yeah, we loved the room. It was a great room to be in. So with that, I think it's time for us to say goodbye and
find your magic. Bye, everyone.